welcome back to my channel. Today I guess I was thinking about going fishing because I just bought a new fishing pole. I never had a fishing pole. I just bought a fishing pole with some like tackle stuff or whatever. But I have just like always wanted to go fishing. I never had my own like fishing pole or anything, so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna go get myself one of those, and I did. So that's the story there. Wow, there's nobody here except there's cars, so maybe there are people here. Okay, there's a couple people here. Oh, looks like an older gentleman on a date. Wow, let's just people watch right now instead of fishing. Let's just do that. We have another couple working out. Oh my gosh, I love when people come to parks to work out. Free, right? Like, why wouldn't you? Yeah, but other than that, there's like nobody else fishing, so maybe I'll get to catch all the good fish. I know that there's like some like bluegill, and that's all I know that's in here. That's it. And they're all like really small, so like it's a good first time fishing thing for me, I suppose. All right, anyways, let's see what we can catch. Okay, so I just got here and I realized I did not bring any pliers. Hopefully I don't need them, but yeah.
And a 20 every time that I picked up when you called, and a crisp new Benjamin for when you're here, then
I got a bite. Had a bite. Lost him. What happened? No! No, I'm so sad. He ate my lure and my hook. This is why you bring backup, guys. This is so sad. Okay, now I've successfully reattached a hook and a lure. The problem I ran into here is that I didn't plan on this, so I didn't bring any pliers. So I also can't cut this extra little line. So I hope that doesn't make a difference. I hope I'm not about to like murder fish. But yeah, this lady also walked by and was like, "Are you fishing?" And I was like, "Yep." And she goes, "You catch anything?" And I said, "Nope, just bites." And those are her kids she's watching. Okay. You know, this might not end well either, but we're gonna try.
Again, rich, head to toe, Prada, Benz in the driveway, yacht in the water, Vegas at the Mandarin, high roller gambling, me and Diddy dripping diamonds like Marilyn. No, I wouldn't be drowning in all your IOUs. Every promise you made me would have some real value, 'cause all the little lies rolling off your lips is money falling from the sky.
Whoa, what was that? Oh shoot. I'm so confused. What just happened? Did I really just break my line right now? What's happening? Oh my god. No! I for real broke my rod. I'm not even kidding you. Can I get it? Okay, stop right there. Okay, this is gonna be really bad, but I'm gonna do it. I broke my rod, but I got it back. Good Lord. Great first day of fishing, huh? Okay, so I fixed my rod after fetching it from the water, which was a little bit terrifying, honestly, because I thought I would fall in. And, you know, I think I'm just done for the day. That was probably all I could handle. So we'll have to try it another day, and hopefully then I'll have super glued my rod so that that doesn't happen again. Anyways, I think that's all I have for this video, so thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below with anything you think that I could have done better, or if you have any like suggestions for me. And yeah, that's it. Bye.